What's up everyone, welcome to Rare Liquid, and this is update number 8 of 12 of my attempt at trying to go from 0 to $1 million in earned revenue in 12 months. If you're a loyal subscriber and have been following this documentary series, then you know that we're super far away from hitting our goal, and unless a miracle happens, we're not gonna hit that $1 million in 12 months, but a lot of you guys have said that you enjoy these updates, so I'm gonna keep doing it until update number 12. This update is actually the most exciting one that I think I'm gonna show you guys yet so far, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Today's agenda is very simple. I'll first be discussing September's results, and then afterwards, I'll explain why I'm happy with the outcome. Okay, so first up, let's go over the September numbers. First off, in terms of subscribers, I fell way short of my goal of 175,000 and instead grew by 7,943 from the previous month to end the month at 45,127 subscribers. YouTube ad revenue saw a slight uptick and went up to $1,875, which I think was largely because I've been posting more videos, and also the Business Insider article featuring Rare Liquid probably led to more external traffic. Next up is Patreon, which saw a huge jump up to $6,643, largely because a lot of people signed up for 1 year, and that's all credited to September. And so next month may be actually hard to beat this number, but I'll certainly try. Next are affiliates and sponsors, which went down a bit to $3,777, and I was originally projecting $5,000 for this in a previous video, but I pulled out of a sponsorship last minute over the past few days because they were gonna pay around $1,700, but I ended up not really liking their product. Next up is courses, which saw a pretty big jump, which was surprising because I've pretty much mainly just been selling the resume and cover letter that got me into JP Morgan and Deloitte. But I recently also created a resume and cover letter guide, and I released this just a few days ago, and we only got a few sales so far, so it was mostly my previous resume and cover letter thing that I was selling, and I'm surprised we actually were able to hit almost $1,000. So in total, I fell far short of my goal of $87,500, but I did make $13,273, which is a pretty big jump from last month. Next up, let me share why I'm pretty happy with this result beyond just the money aspect. 13K is way below the kind of crazy projections that I set out initially in this whole documentary series. But with that said, I'm still working on something that I love, so I really have no complaints. And you know, even to get to this point right now, I feel like is a huge blessing because I'm like growing on YouTube is pretty hard, monetization is hard, and so yeah, I'm just happy to be at this point. Beyond the money, I'm also really happy with this result for two reasons. The first is that I'm close to 50K subscribers right now, and as you can see here, I projected out revenue of 11.5 thousand at 50K subscribers, so I actually beat those projections. It's just that my channel didn't grow as quickly. So that actually kind of makes me feel a little bit better because it shows, I guess, a little bit that my projections aren't that crazy. It's just that I didn't grow the sub count quickly enough. But the more important second reason is that annualized, $13,273 times 12 is $159,276, which is more than the $155,000 a year I made at JPM. And so it's a pretty big milestone to cross that $155,000 per year number. I started this channel on January 19th, 2021. So it's been pretty much 8 months since this whole crazy wild journey has begun. And actually I invested all the money back into Rare Liquid so far. I haven't paid myself a dime yet. And you can check out more about that in this video right here. But I guess next month, I think we're gonna be profitable, and so I can finally buy myself a nice dinner or something, but honestly, I'm gonna probably put some of my money into crypto. All right, keeping this short and sweet, that concludes the video, but quick shout out to our sponsors for this month. And I'm not charging them for this, I'm just doing it. Check out Cover if you want cheaper car insurance. It lowered my car insurance by $20. Check out Financial Edge if you are interested in recruiting for investment banking and want to improve your technical skills and modeling. And check out Masterworks if you want to invest in fine blue chip art. I'll leave links to those 3 companies if you want to check them out down in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Hope to catch you in the next video. Thanks and peace out.